Hey there, welcome back. We are doing the first week of March and it's in my Erin Condren horizontal planner. And I think what my inspiration is this color is so pretty. It's like a very, very pale green. And these flowers have that pale green in them. So I think what I'm gonna do is do a border of these flowers. So let's get started. This is so pretty. Let me see. We'll have them go off the page a little bit. Oh, this is kind of difficult to do it with this. Okay, there we go. And do a little bit of that right here. And then we can take these flowers right down here in this corner. Do I want to do them like that? Or maybe actually add them right here. I can't believe it's already March. Can you? Like, it's crazy to me. February literally flew by, literally. Before we know it, we're blinking our eyes and it's gone. All right, let's get this little guy in there too. Those are such pretty flowers. And then we'll do a cluster of flowers right up here. I don't want to cover up the 5. You know what? Let me get some scissors that are a little sharper and they're more pointy. Okay. Okay. All right, I think I cut the paper. Oh, I did. I cut a little bit of the paper. That's okay, you know. I do this for fun. It's quite all right. Let's see where we can put this guy. All right, and let's get a little bit of that blue color in there. Let's put this down in here. So I wish I had some stories to tell you, but I don't. It's been, you know, because we've been getting snowstorms. Really, nobody's been going anywhere or doing anything and stuff. I'm glad to see that, you know, more businesses are opening up in our state. They're allowing restaurants to stay open now past 10 o'clock, whereas before they wanted everything shut down by 10 o'clock. So that's good. That's good for the you know, the businesses, the restaurants and stuff. There we go. Let's get this little guy. Need to cut that a little bit. Okay. Let's get this guy in here. Oh. We'll trim this. This time I won't trim the page. And we'll use these little ones for over here. Okay. We need to work on this side. Let's see what we can do with this. Right there. That's good. Well, let me see what we've got here. Okay, we've got a whole page that we can still use. This is looking so pretty, isn't it? I want to do something down here. Kind of drape it down a little bit. Okay, that's good. And then this corner right here, let's do this big guy. All right, that's good. These flowers are just gorgeous. And, you know, I've loved them. And I kept saying that I just want to hold on to them just long enough for spring. So then that way I can do something like this. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. You just need a little bit of something right up here. I'm gonna white this out. Oh, I'm a knucklehead sometimes. All right. So have you guys watched any shows? Have you watched Behind Her Eyes? If you have not seen that, you have to see it. It is the creepiest and the craziest show I have seen yet. Let's see if we can make this like crossover. I think maybe a little bit of greenery up here. Okay, maybe something down here. Do I have any other flowers? Maybe I can stick. They have these jars. If I could cut. I wonder if I could cut the flowers out of that jar. And then just stick them right in here. There, that makes it look complete. All right, what do you think over here? Something small right there too? Maybe some leaves. Or maybe what I can do is cut the yellow flowers off of that. I don't want to ruin it because I want to be able to use these flowers again. Maybe cut off one of the flowers. Oops. I think I cut off the wrong flower. There we go. Okay. All right, there we go. This is my March 1st through 7th horizontal spread. I just love it. See how it all came together? You can do pretty spreads. You don't have to put a whole lot down, and this gives me enough space to be able to write. Hope you guys like it. Bye-bye.